Things I like about Alpha Spirit food so far. I feel it's redundant to tell you how high quality the food is, because if it wasn't, you just wouldn't see it on my social. But how does it fare on a field test? First things first, I really like how small each piece is. I use 70% of Atrocious food allowance for training, and smaller pieces allow us to get more reps in. Another thing I really like is that this food does not crumble to dust in your pocket like a lot of cold pressed foods out there. You can see me crunching it up in the video, and yet no powder to be seen.